8 effective exercises to reduce side fat, and they are all super easy. Have you been struggling to get rid of that side fat but are unable to? Do you wonder what kind of exercises can help you remove side fat quickly and effectively? Side fat does look very unappealing and is generally the first to appear and the last to go. What if there are certain super simple exercises that can help you get rid of side fat faster than you had thought? You would love it, wouldn't you? Wondering how to reduce side fat by exercise? Then you got to read this post and try out the top exercises that can kick off that side fat real fast. 1. Starfish. Get in the side plank position and get hold of your balance. Once you are properly balanced, stack one foot on top of the other and raise your arm into the air. Now, lift the leg on top and straighten it. At the same time, try to touch your toe with your hand and then return to the starting position. Do 15 reps and repeat on the other side. 2. Side plank circles. Get into a side plank position and lower the knee closer to the floor. Lift your upper leg until it is horizontal and straight. Now start tracing big circles with that leg. Trace 20 circles clockwise and 20 anti-clockwise and then repeat on the other side. 3. Oblique Crunch. Lie down on your back and lift your legs with bent knees until your calves become horizontal. Put your left hand behind your head and straighten your right arm to your side. Now pressing your right forearm onto the ground, lift your left side of your torso and try to touch your left elbow to your left knee. Turn your left knee towards your left elbow as you lift your left torso. Do 10 reps and repeat on the other side. 4. Piked elbow twists. Lie down on the floor with your legs straight and arms extended. Now lift your straight legs and arms in a sit-up position until your torso is off the floor and you are balancing on your butt. If straight legs are very difficult for you, you can bend your knees until your calves are horizontal. Maintain that position. Now twisting your torso to your right side, bend your right arms and touch the right elbow to the floor. Twist to your left and touch your left elbow to the floor. Keep alternating and do 20 reps. 5. Triangle with dumbbell. Stand with your feet wide apart. Point your left foot leftward and your right foot forward. Hold a dumbbell in your right hand. You should use your heavyweight dumbbell and straighten that arm overhead, slightly sideways. Now bend to your left side and try to reach the floor on the left with your left hand. Go as low as you can without compromising the position and with your back straight. Do 15 reps on each side. 6. Mermaid. Lie down on your right side with your legs straight and feet stacked together. You can cross your ankles if it helps, but keep them together. Also, keep your legs slightly forward so that you rest on your bum cheek and not on your hip. Lift your legs up as high as you can and lower them back down. Do 15 reps. 7. Leg lifts. Lie on your back with your feet flat on the floor. Place your hand under your bum and straighten both your legs. Lift your legs up as high as you can and lower them back without touching the floor. Keep the legs straight at all times. Do 15 reps. 8. Hip dips. Get in a forearm plank position and roll to one side in forearm side plank position. After you get your balance, place your free hand on your hip and start dipping your lower hip to the floor up and down. Do 15 reps on each side. Learn the weight loss products below the description. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.